I got ready, got on the plane. You know, being in a new airport, going through customs is what keeps me from being as tired as I am. You have to be very alert. Very alert. All right, now we'll look inside and see if the drone's here. You never know. It's there. All right. It wasn't compensated. So there's probably a cheaper way to get to where I need to be, but I've been up for more than 24 hours and I'll pay whatever to just get to my hotel room. It's only 10:30 in the morning. If I take a little tiny nap, I can get up by noon and begin my vacation. Go back to the airport first thing in the morning.
Tomorrow?
In the morning, yeah.
Tomorrow airport?
Yeah, to go to Skiathos.
Skiathos, very nice.
Yeah.
How time tomorrow?
Oh, the flight's at like 5:20.
5?
Yeah, it's early.
5 morning?
Yeah.
No problem, taxi driver. My name Bill.
Yes.
For hotel, for airport. Okay.
All right, I'm in Athens. It was a 60 euro cab ride to get there, but here's my hotel, right? Chic, 60 euro, and I leave early in the morning to go back. So I'm gonna find an alternative way, but let's go check in this hotel, okay? I was excited about getting here so I could sleep, and what I've learned is there's gonna be no sleep at all. And I also learned that the taxis are so expensive. I mean, it's been, okay. You wanna know why I'm tired? So when I left my apartment, I turned on the stopwatch, and that's door to door. So when I stepped out of my apartment, I turned it on, and now that I'm here, I'm turning it off, and it is 24 hours and 41 minutes. That's 25 hours. That's 25 hours that I haven't really slept, brushed my teeth, slept properly, and that's why I look like this. Yeah. So as much as I want to go out here, I think I need to cool my jets. So that's why I look like this. All right, so this is Athens. It looks exactly like I remember it last time. So here's the deal, I'm by myself. And I can get lost easy, so I'm just staying on this one road. But I couldn't already tell you where the hotel is. Because everything looks alike and there's no street signs and I can't read, but it's all good. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, it's all be cool. Okay, go. Whoa. Okay. Alright. Always meeting new friends. I was in Greece 2012 it might have been, and there were so many wild dogs around. I mean, throughout the city, all over. And they relied on the kindness of tourists. Well, I haven't seen one, so I don't know what happened. I'm exhausted. Look at this. I got a big old thing of water. I'm waiting for my bus. You know the good thing about traveling alone is when I leave here, it's 4 o'clock. I think I'm going to bed. I get up super early in the morning because I have to fly. So, and I don't know if there's anything else to see in Athens. So, salud. I've seen what I need to see. I'm going to go home and go to bed after I eat. So, What's going on? So without any navigational devices or any personal instincts of how to get around, although I'm not there yet, I believe I have found my way back to the hotel. Because if there's any place I could be lost, it would be here. Everything looks the same and I can't read anything. Here's my only landmark I was looking for. I knew I had to look for the praying hands. Alright, so I'm here. Alright. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. I went to bed at 7 o'clock last night. I needed to get up early. I'm still moving. This was just a place to rest. Now, note to self, I don't ever need to return to Athens again. In fact, with the knowledge that I have now, I should have hung around the airport for 5 or 6 more hours and then went to the first island. It would have been a lot cheaper, but it's okay. There's no mistakes. It's all fine. Everything's good. Everything's good. So I don't really know what just happened, but it was cheaper. It was 54 euro, which is probably about $60. And I didn't tip. So anyway, I'm here. I'm here early, but I'm here. Off to Skiathos.
Φυσική μπροστά από το κάθισμά σας θα βρείτε μια κάρτα με όλες τις οδηγίες ασφαλείας. Παρακαλούμε να την διαβάσετε προσεκτικά.
Thank you very much. So, last of all, last to get on. This is my favorite part. I'm very happy. Athens, not so happy. But I'm surprised it's so dark. Thank you. All right, here we go. Okay. What a struggle to get here. It was a 24-hour flight. It was 18 hours in Athens. And Skiathos is just a place that I'm going to get a ferry. I'm now going to a ferry that's taking me to another island. You ready? We're going outside. I don't know what's out here right now. I don't know if there's cabs. Let's find out. I need to go to the port where the ferry is to Skopelos. Thank you. Because my ultimate goal is to get to Skopelos. It was 24 hours to get to Athens. I spent 18 hours there. Skiathos is just a port that I can get a ferry, because ultimately I'm just trying to get to Skopelos, which is just not an easy place to get to. But that just means it's worth it. So I'm laying here, right? And you know, the truth is, since Tuesday morning, things have been hectic. Athens is hectic. This is the first time where I'm laying here and I hear sounds that I haven't heard in a year when I was here before. There's roosters crowing. There's little small engine scooters and vehicles moving around. People are setting up their cafes. And water's hitting underneath the docks of all the boats. The sun's about to rise. I'm on the borderline of being really happy.